Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add TripAdvisor review for your site in Squarespace. So let's start. So what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is TripAdvisor. You want to click here on sign up for free, and when you're gonna have it, you will sign up with a Google or Gmail. With Facebook or Gmail, and then just click login. You will be here in applications, and you want to write here trust, and you're gonna see it here, trust reviews from TripAdvisor. And now you can go like with reviews widget or grid or list. I will use reviews. Nice, you just paste here your URL. And you can change colors, you can change layout if you want, and then just click save. When you will have it, you will need to choose between the plan. You can start with a light one, there's like 200 views, or just upgrade it to the basic or pro with 50,000 views or 5,000 views. It's really up to you. And when you have it, let's just copy the code here, and let's just paste here code. Let's apply. Then just click done, and here you got it. So what I recommend also is just add a spacer here, then just add a new spacer here. You can just make it like this, and voila, I've got it in the middle. So this is how you can add a TripAdvisor for your site in Squarespace. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. And yeah, thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.